Hi, welcome to Share the Preschool Learning. In my previous video, I said all the concepts are taught using two approaches for preschoolers. First approach is using visual tools or objects which contains infographic contents like charts, pictures, icons and videos and so on. And the second concept is hands-on manipulatives. Second approach is hands-on manipulatives like flashcards, beads and strings, stick puppets, lacing boards, number molds, etc. In this video, I have taken one such hands-on manipulative like flashcards. Let's see what are flashcards. Flashcards are cards which contain information on both the sides. First is the prompt, and on the other side it contains the information. Information can be words, numbers, pictures, and so on. Flashcards are used as a learning tool. It allows the kid to repeat the act of learning and memorizing until the kid becomes an expert on the information. Flashcards helps the kid not only to memorize the facts quickly, but also to process and store the information over the long term. Let's see how the flashcards look like. This is how the flashcards look like. Horizontal view and the vertical view. Horizontal view is the prompt of the flashcard. It tells about what is the information contained at the other side. Here I have taken the alphabet objects. A for apple, that is the prompt, and the vertical view tells the other objects of the flashcard. A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for ant, and A for alligator. Flashcards are available in the stationery shops or we can buy online. Here I have taken, these are not the flashcards, these are just the images of the flashcards. In the same way, B for ball is the prompt of the flashcard, and on the other side, B for banana, B for butterfly, B for bear. These are the three objects on the other side of the flashcard. Now, let's identify all the alphabet objects using this flashcard method. C for car, C for cat, C for cake, C for cow. D for dog, D for doll, D for duck, D for donkey. E for elephant, E for egg, E for envelope, E for ice. F for fish, F for fan, F for frog, F for flowers. G for grapes, G for gun, G for goat, G for guitar. H for horse, H for hen, H for hut, H for hat. I for ice cream, I for igloo, I for iron box, I for ice cube. J for jug, J for jackfruit, J for jelly, J for jeep. K for kite, K for key, K for knife, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for leaf, L for lotus, L for lychee. M for mango, M for milk, M for monkey, M for mushroom. Next, N for nuts, N for noodles, N for nest, N for needle. Next, O for orange, O for owl, O for onion, O for oil. Next, P for parrot, P for pear, P for pineapple, P for pencil. Next, Q for quartz, Q for Q, Q for quail, Q for quill. Next, R for rabbit, R for rat, R for rose, R for rainbow. Next, S for sunflower, S for sunset, S for snake, S for star. Next, T for tiger, T for tomato, T for telephone, T for truck. Next, U for universe, U for utensils, U for umbrella, U for urn. Next, V for van, V for vulture, V for violin, V for vegetable. Next, W for window, W for walnut, W for wheel, W for watch. Next, X for xylophone, X for Xmas tree, X for Xiphias, X for X-ray. Next, Y for yak, Y for yolk, Y for yoga, Y for yacht. Next and the last alphabet is Z. Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zigzag, Z for zero. I suggest parents of all the preschoolers, please provide your kids the flashcards instead of TV remote or the cell phones. It helps them to engage in active recall and emphasize memorization. If you like this video and if you want your kid to learn from basics, please subscribe to my channel, watch, like and share. Thank you.